What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a nostalgic slash emotional slash TikTok slash hood trap type beat, kind of like the song Beach League by Netspend, which if you guys haven't heard, we'll play a little snippet right now.
I fell asleep and they love what they see.
So yeah, I really like that like emotional nostalgic kind of feeling in these kinds of beats. I want to show you guys how to make something like that. All right, so first things first, we're gonna set our BPM and I'm gonna do something around 140. Let's do 144. And first thing, I'm just gonna get a one shot from one of my kits. Let's use this one right here, and let's just put that attack all the way down, put this tension up a bit, put the attack up a little bit, and then put the release down. Right now I'm just gonna change the scale to A sharp minor. So now we have our scale highlighter set to A sharp, and now we're just gonna build some minor 7 chords. And the way you can build minor 7 chords is you just skip 3 notes here. So 1 2 3, get rid of these, and then skip 4 notes here, 1 2 3 4, and then it repeats right here. So 1 2 3, and then if you want to do a 9, you just skip 4 right here, 1 2 3 4, and now you have a minor 9. But we're just gonna do a minor 7. Let's just control B that. And now we're just gonna add some root notes. Now let's just clone it and layer it with another pad. And we're gonna take some of the highs out of this one. Let's just add these to the mixer, and I'm gonna add some sort of like gate preset. So I'm gonna use shaper box right here, and I think the preset I like is called like 8th. Yeah, this one right here. And then we're gonna add something similar to this one right here. Now we're just gonna add another pad that's like kind of long chords. That's not gonna have like this like stabby like shaper box effect on it. And we're just gonna copy our chords from before, paste them in here. Do this right here. Hit Control L to connect everything. So now let's get started on the bounce. So I'm gonna add a snare, clap, kick, and an 808. Let's use this one. And let's just do the basic jerk pattern. When you use like multiple stomps like this, make sure you do cut self. Check what the number here is. So it's 2 by 2, and then we're gonna set this one 2 by 2. So basically, whenever this one plays, like this one will mute, but you have to make sure that your cuts are the same number. Open hat. Damn. We're gonna A-step it. Get a sub. Let's just follow our bass notes right here. Damn. GM it up. You get a crash and just like a few perks. Damn. I just want to add a little lead. We're just gonna add a little lead that kind of like rocks out throughout the whole thing. Damn. 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 I'm gonna try a different lead. Damn. Thinking of adding one more pad. Just get one more pad in here. We're just gonna copy our like OG chords right here, but take out the stabs. Damn. Let me just save this, and then we're gonna freestyle. Okay, so let's just arrange everything. So I'm gonna go over here where it says pattern, right click, hit split by channel, and then go over here to open the playlist. And then I'm just gonna click the melody sounds. So what I want to do now is I just want to bounce these sounds that have shaper box on it, just because if I ever go back to this project and I don't bounce the sounds, then the shaper box preset will get lost. It'll sound completely different. You know what I mean? You'll lose the vibes. I'm gonna arm the recording, hit Alt R. Damn. gonna export this and let's hit a little freestyle. Just has that emotion, you know what I mean? It kind of has the like cornball like sounds in it. That's kind of what you want for this kind of style. Cornball kind of lead that just steps down. It's all about like the feeling, you know? You gotta like feel it.
Underdogs.
I just want it more. Sticking out of what in a row. Yeah, I just want it more. I just want it more. Stick it guap up in my row. That's just how it go. I just want it more. Switch it now, I want to go for show. Shawty got a bad bone. I got tweaked up now, I gotta go.
Yeah, fuck it. We're gonna call it at this. For this, I have to go like lyrical, not lyrical schmirical, but I have to hit like a nice flow and like really make it melodic.
I just want it more. Stick it guap up in my row. That's just how it go. I just want it more. Switch it on a roll. Call it Uber home. Shawty in a red row. I can't say no. Tweaked up off the X. That's just how it go. Shawty got a bad bone. I got tweaked up and I gotta go. Close up on a dough.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. Yeah. Also hit that sub. We're dropping a free 20k kit once we hit 20k. It's gonna have a bunch of drum sounds, loops, midis, vocal presets, pretty much everything you can need to make beats is gonna be in there. Also, it's gonna be completely free. I'm super pumped for that. It's gonna be a sick kit. Also, me and Charlie are gonna be dropping a song in this similar style at the end of March. We'll play a little snippet for you guys right now.
Underdogs.
California girl with a face card. I just want a crib with a race car. Only part of real.
But yeah, if you guys want to be tapped for that, make sure to follow me and Charlie on Instagram. If you guys are looking for some new sounds, some drums, loops, midis, whatever you guys are looking for, make sure to check the link down below. Go check out my Untitled kit. Also check out my loop archive, which is like one of my slept on kits. Has about like 200 loops and 200 midis, so it's super fire. You can get it for 50% off right now, so just check the link in the description. Also, don't forget to join our Discord. We're doing beat battles every second Saturday of every month. We have a sick community in there. We almost have like 2,000 people. Super fire producers in there, super fire artists. But yeah, make sure to join our Discord, follow me on Instagram, check out the kit store, and yeah, love you boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Take care.
Underdogs.